$420 per day, earn in real cash. It's completely free to join, quick payouts, and you can do this for an unlimited amount of time. Stay tuned to learn more. This process I'm about to show you guys requires no special skill, no social media followings, and you don't need to sell your product. All you need is a mobile phone or a computer. It's completely free and it works worldwide. So subscribe to my channel right now and let's get started. Alright guys, so this is the first and main site we are going to be using. This is crowdfireapp.com. It's right here, crowdfireapp.com. The link is going to be in the description, so you can use that link to come over to this site. So Crowdfire is a tool that helps manage different social media accounts like Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and so on and so forth. So this site helps those social media managers to manage accounts on autopilot, so it makes their work more easy and more effective. We are not going to buy anything because you have to buy it. We are going to make social media managers buy Crowdfire app. They are going to buy a package from this site, from your affiliate site. So you want to go down, you want to go to affiliate/referral, is right there. And now what you want to do is to sign up to become an affiliate of Crowdfire app. So as you can see here, you can refer and earn up to $420 for every customer you invite, that is if they buy. So you earn in cash 35% generous commission, so you get 35% of every package that they buy. So if I go back here, go to the pricing, let's see how much they are charging. Alright, so for the annual fee you pay $7 every month. For plus premium is 37 and VIP is $74.98. So there's also monthly. If you want to pay monthly, it's $10, it's $50, and this is $100. So once you sign up to become a Crowdfire affiliate, I have an account. Let me just go to my dashboard. So once you sign up to become a Crowdfire affiliate, they are going to give you your affiliate link, and I'm going to teach you guys how you can promote this link and actually get sales. So this is Crowdfire. This is my affiliate link right here. So you can copy this and promote it in whichever way you want to promote, but this I'm going to show you guys how you can promote it for free. So you go over to fiverr.com. So once you're on Fiverr, you want to search for social media manager right here. What you want to do is to recommend Crowdfire to these social media managers. As you can see, there are over 15,567 services available. So if you can get about 50 of these sellers to purchase a package from Crowdfire right here, you are going to make money from each sale you make. So let me just directly message one of these sellers right here. So if you have not done it already, please be sure to subscribe to this channel, turn on the post notification bell, and comment down below if this works for you. So you can also use other freelancing sites like Upwork. There are so many freelancing sites out there, so you can just go over there, you search for social media manager, and you can also promote to them. So do not put your affiliate link on Fiverr, because if you do so, they are going to ban your account. Let me directly message this lady over there. So we are not going to purchase anything from her. We are going to ask for her contact, her Instagram name, so we can add her up on Instagram. So don't use Facebook. I prefer Instagram, because on Facebook they won't allow you to put your affiliate link there. So you click on contact me. You type hey, I'm interested in your gig and I would like you to manage some of my accounts. So if you put it like this, the next seller that you're going to send a message to, you're not going to send it just like how you're sending it to this woman right here, because it will become spamming and Fiverr will put you on their radar, and if they see that you are trying to spam, they're going to disable your account. So you have to write different text for different sellers. So can I have your Instagram name to contact you? I'm interested in your gig and I would like you to manage some of my accounts. Can I have your Instagram name to contact you? And that is it. Once you have her Instagram name, you go over to Instagram, you text her, hey, I'm sorry, I use crowdfire.com to manage my account, so it was less stressful for me, and I think you should try it too. Then she'll be like, so if this woman is using this, or if this man is using this, or if this kid is using this Crowdfire to manage different accounts and is on a low budget, so she will want to hop on it and start using Crowdfire. So you can now put your affiliate link there, and when she click on it and purchase a gig, you make money. So that is how easy it is. You just have to know how to talk to them. You just have to know how to talk to them, and you get your sales. So if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below if this is working for you. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.